Kawasaki Versys 650. Ever wanted one bike that can handle city traffic, long highway trips, and even the occasional bumpy road without breaking a sweat? The Kawasaki Versys 650 comes pretty close. It's built for riders who don't want to be limited by road type or riding style. Powered by a 649 cubic centimeter liquid-cooled twin-cylinder engine, it delivers around 67 horsepower and 61 newton-meters of torque. This engine is known for being smooth and responsive, especially in the mid-range. That means whether you're overtaking on the highway or rolling through town, it doesn't feel short on power. The 6-speed gearbox keeps shifts clean and predictable, and it handles high speeds well with a top speed close to 200 kilometers per hour. One of the highlights of this motorcycle is comfort. The adjustable windscreen, wide handlebars, and upright seating make it perfect for long rides. Plus, the suspension is soft enough to soak up rough roads, yet firm enough to handle tight corners confidently. The 21-liter fuel tank also means fewer fuel stops, making it great for weekend touring. Technology-wise, you get a full LED lighting setup, a sharp-looking digital TFT screen, and smartphone connectivity. It even supports turn-by-turn navigation using a mobile app. Safety is well covered too, with dual-channel ABS and traction control coming as standard. That said, it's not without drawbacks. The weight, around 219 kilograms, can feel a bit much for newer riders. The mileage is also modest, hovering around 20 kilometers per liter. And if you're hoping to take it off-road seriously, it might not feel as capable as larger, more rugged adventure bikes. Still, for riders who want versatility, solid power, and modern features in a well-balanced package, the Kawasaki Versys 650 remains one of the smartest choices in its class. Want more videos on practical, everyday motorcycles like this? Hit that subscribe button and keep exploring the best bikes for real riders.